I believe that we will. I believe that we
Hi, and welcome back to Trojan TV. I'm Evie Hins, and today we'll take a look at a few stories. Starting off, we'll do a recap of the fall sports that competed at state. Girls volleyball traveled to the state volleyball tournament in Salina last Friday. It was their first time since 2019. Unfortunately, they lost each of their matches on Friday, preventing them from advancing to finals. In other news, the girls cross-country team placed 7th at state last Friday in Lawrence. The team was led by sophomore Maddie Wallace, who placed 7th with a time of just over 19 minutes. Congrats to all. Next up, we'll take a look at some elementary school students who came to our school for a lesson about the scientific method.
As science teachers, we understand the importance of having science in our elementary schools. With that in mind, we invited the third graders from Cottonwood Elementary in the classes from Ms. Gallagher, Ms. Cusino, and Ms. Hesterman to bring their third graders over to the high school to do a science experiment. Our hope was to teach the students about the scientific method using our hero, Dr. Herc. Dr. Herc helped guide the students through the different steps in the scientific method. After guiding them through what is a scientist and what do they do, the students were able to work with the big scientists, our very own AHS students, to do an experiment to find which soap makes the biggest bubbles. We guided the students through the different types of soaps that we had and what their job was, and then the students were able to make a hypothesis. What soap was going to make the biggest bubble? Through experimentation and making a lot of bubbles, the students were able to find in their own lab groups which soap made the biggest bubble. Through this process, the students were able to be their own little scientists, go through the scientific method, have some observations, some results, and then they were able to talk about what they found.
Lastly, a quick look at some of the Halloween costumes worn throughout the school. Thanks for making it such a fun Halloween. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.